Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix input delay on your Elden Ring. So here we have Elden Ring where you can purchase this for 60 bucks and you can choose your edition right here. So there's a lot of things going on with your input delay in the rolling. So I have found this mod guys which will help you. So you can install this mod right here by just going to nexusmods.com/eldenring/mods/949. So here you can actually download this manual right here so that you can be able to use this mod. So what this does basically is fix the delay on rolls using Steam input only. So you can install this with your DualShock and your controllers, even with your Xbox. So here, you're gonna link the stream right here and here for V1 and V2. For your DualShock and Xbox is V1, V2. You can also set it right here. So you just have to visit those website and you'll be good to go. So just download this and then you'll be on your way. So that is how you fix your input delay in Elden Ring. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.